Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the monkey taken by police token. Ticker symbol is Jorgie. I'm assuming that is the name of the monkey. Now there's been a trend recently since the peanut token came out. The peanut token was also taken by police, and the raccoon, I'm trying to remember the raccoon's name right now, but that was based off another animal that was taken by police, the raccoon token, and then there was another one too, I can't remember, but there's been a few very popular tokens based off of animals being captured by police, and now we have this new one that just came out 13 hours ago. It's trending number 3 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. Has an insane 24-hour trading volume. This token is up. Trending number 3 just came out, and it is up over 7,300% right now. Doing very well, this token here. We're going to go over the information on the Jorgie token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. I just remembered the other token I was trying to think of. It was based off a little girl's goat that she had as a pet, and the police came and they took that goat, thinking it was just a random farm animal and not a pet or something like that. But yeah, so there's been a bunch of these tokens come out based off injustices where animals are confiscated. So this one has the Jorgie token, has a market cap right now of $7 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just came out 13 hours ago, already at $7.1 million. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $80 million. Token is up 7,359% in the past 24 hours, even though the pair on Uniswap was only created 13 hours, or not Uniswap, sorry. The pair was created on Raydium 13 hours, 55 minutes ago. So that's how brand new this project is here. They've had 117,254 transactions in the past 24 hours. They have $552,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 99.97% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is 0.0069 USD right now. They have been also doing a marketing boost. You can tell because they have the marketing boost button there on Dex Screener, and it says 600. They always have the number there, so now it says 600 besides, trending number 3 on here. And they have, let's see here, a quick audit on Dex Screener. It says no issues. It says no freezable tokens, no mintable tokens. And this token was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. And they have here 39,500,000 pooled Jorgie tokens in Raydium, which is equivalent to 1,276 SOL. Now, this token has already had a community takeover. So it says a community claimed ownership for this token November 13th. The original team sold their tokens. CTO is now taking the lead. So this is a community-run project now. Dev is out of the picture, according to Dex Screener. And they actually have a Dallas News article If you click on web page, it'll take you to the whole story from the dallasnews.com webpage. That's where you can find the story of what happened to this monkey confiscated by police. Obviously, very similar story to the peanut token. Check out the peanut token if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about. Right now, Jorgie has over 12,000 holders. Doing very well here. Their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Jorgie Solana. Has 9,507 subscribers, and you can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, new partnerships, announcements. They actually just got a brand new central exchange listing. There's probably going to be a few in the works, but they definitely just got one that I just saw pop up here. Total supply for this token and circulating supply right now is a little bit over 999.99 million tokens. So they have here a DEX score of 82 out of 99. Now, they lost points for information because their webpage is just a Dallas News article. It's not an actual webpage, so maybe they'll develop a webpage, though, soon. They have a quick intel security audit. It says contract verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens. Contract is not freezable and no other risks, and tax is not modifiable. So all sorts of good stuff there on their 2 quick audits, but keep in mind those are only just quick audits. They're not full audits. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put that right here. They just joined November 2024, has a link to the Telegram right there, has the contract address right there. And it was just announced on Twitter here that this token will be listed on xt.com. So it says here, November 13th, 10 a.m. UTC time, which has already passed, this token will be listed on XT. Now, if you don't have an XT account, you could download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would go into the trade section after you fund your account with USDT, search Jorgie, and then simply just buy the token. Now, besides that, also, oh wow, Bitcoin just hit $90,000, new all-time high. Amazing. That just happened. I just saw an announcement 1 hour ago. But okay, besides that, what was I talking about? Jorgie. Anyways, Jorgie, you could also get off of Raydium, a decentralized exchange, by funding your Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Soulflare, or Phantom Wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, Jupiter, Meteora. Those are all DEXs, and then you would trade your Sol for the Jorgie token using the contract address you could find right there on their Twitter. Real easy to find that there. Probably won't have to set taxes, or you won't have to set slippage because I haven't seen anything about taxes, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees, so just be aware of that. Now, I'm going to be posting a lot of videos today, very popular Solana meme coins like the Mist token that just came out. That one just got a big central exchange listing on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there as well. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.